Hi there, it's Jessie. So glad you found this video because that means you're looking to learn more about doTERRA essential oils. I'm so happy you're here. I'm thrilled and honored to educate you, teach you more about these amazing little bottles of oil, and you're gonna be blown away. There's so many ways you can use them. In this video, I wanna teach you about using essential oils to help support our kiddos when they're teething. Or think about it as kids, because my kids are getting older now, and so they're starting to lose their teeth, and then they're growing new teeth. They're teething again. It's not just for when they're babies. So this video can be helpful for kids of all ages, or even as an adult if we have a toothache. These are great roller recipes that you can use to support your kids, to support anyone in your home if they are having some aches and pains in their teeth, mouth area. So I have two different rollers that I'm gonna give you the recipe for. The first one is one that I liked to roll topically on the jawline. And so when my kids were little, wearing diapers, I often just did it proactively, diaper change. I changed their diapers, I'd grab the roller and I'd swipe it along their jawline, and it helped keep their discomfort manageable. And so the topical roller on the jawline, I have found that I really like. It has 3 different oils in it. So there's lavender, Siberian fir, and Roman chamomile. Super gentle oils. Just because they're gentle, it doesn't mean that they don't work so well and help with discomfort in our body. My guideline, I'm thinking of a little kiddo when they're teething, err on the less drops. And even so, for an adult, I dilute my rollers a lot, okay? My general rule of thumb for an adult is 20 to 30 drops of oil in a roller ball like this, and then the rest of the way fractionated coconut oil. But if I've got a little baby, I'm gonna be doing even less than that, and it's gonna work great, okay? So I would do 5 drops each of the lavender, Roman chamomile, and Siberian fir, okay? And then you roll that on the jawline, soothing it from the outside topically that way. Then the other one, this one that I've got in my other hand, you're gonna put that topically on their gums. And this one has a tingle to it. It has clove, frankincense, and copaiba. And so when you make this one, again, I would start with doing that general rule of thumb of 5 drops of each, clove, frankincense, copaiba. And then what I'm gonna do after you've added the fractionated coconut oil, roll it on your finger and just test it on your tongue. And you want to get a little bit of tingle because it's that idea of it's gonna help numb those gums when they're just not feeling very well. So if you want to get that tingle a little bit stronger, just add some more drops of clove, rub it on your finger, test it on your tongue. If you get the tingle, you're good to go. So what I would do when my kids were just like feeling that discomfort, I would often, I'd again roll it on my fingers, I'd roll it on their gums, or it got just to where they realized what was coming out their mouth, they would just open their mouth. They loved it. And actually we would just sometimes just take the roller, you know, and I would just roll it directly on their mouth. And even some of our kids, sometimes they would like suck on the roller because it helped bring relief to them. So the clove one is for internal, get the numb tingle, and then the other one is for the jawline. So tuck this one in your back pocket, share this video with someone who has someone in their home that is having mouth, again, I think of this, I think of little kids when I think of these rollers, but really these rollers could help anyone that's having uncomfortable stuff happening in their mouth. So share this video, please. If it was helpful, I would just be super grateful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, please and thank you. And then every Thursday, I release a new video. If you were to look through all my videos and you look over the topics and there's one that you don't see, send me a message, please. Just put a comment, or you can shoot me a message directly. My information is in the show notes with some ideas of other videos that you would find helpful, because that's what this channel is all about. I want to help people learn how to use essential oils. I want to empower you to use them in your home. So let me know if I'm missing a video that you would like to see. And then if you aren't working with anyone yet and you're ready to buy your own essential oils with doTERRA and get that wholesale account where you can get the 25% off and other fun freebies, please reach out and I would love to be that person. I would just be honored to help be your mentor and walk alongside you as you incorporate oils into your home. Please let me know if you have questions and have a great day.